Welcome back to Cooking with Cousins. Today we will be making blueberry muffins from the Joy of Cooking in the first of what I will refer to as the Joy to You series. After all, when your favorite musician is Josh Ritter, and the first cookbook your parents gave you was the Joy of Cooking, what else should I call it? For me, I started off working from my parents' cookbooks, and when I was given my first cookbook, it was the previous edition from this series that we are working from today. You'll find the recipe on page 633 of the 2019 edition. To begin on your blueberry muffins, start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit on bake. Mix together in a large bowl 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix together in a separate bowl 1 cup milk or cream, 2 large eggs, and a half cup of brown sugar. I like to mix it a bit to help incorporate the sugar before adding in the rest of the ingredients. Add in 1 1/2 cup blueberries. Bloop. 4 to 8 tablespoons butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk it all together. Then, add the milk mixture to the flour mixture. The batter shouldn't be smooth. Using a cupcake scoop or a 1/4 cup measuring cup, scoop the muffin batter into prepared baking pans. Bake for about 17 minutes once your oven has reached temperature. To check if they are done, I poke the muffins with a toothpick. If it is ready, it should come out clean. When they are done, take them out of the oven and let them sit for a few minutes. Let's take a look at the interior. Thank you for joining me for this week's Cooking with Cousins, and I'll see you next week.